What is this?
The Galdabini CNC straightener straightens all of our lead screws. Galdabini has been in business for well over 100 years. They've been making all kinds of different straighteners. Because our in-house tolerance is 0.003 per foot on all of our straightening, and sometimes customer requires a little bit tighter than that to 0.001 per foot. With the Galdabini, it can achieve that effortlessly with no problem.
What is a lead screw? Lead screw, a threaded rod on which a mechanism travels and can be positioned precisely.
Galdabini Straightener, we brought in a screw product line that required several straightening processes. Straightening takes more time than any process of that product. There's 6 straightening steps, and this required manual arbor press straightening by individuals. It's boring, tedious work, and between each operation, that step would need to be repeated. Discerning the difference between how much to bend a piece of steel to make it straight. So we had generous tolerances of 0.005 per foot that we set as a standard for the straightening process. And it added huge cost to our lead screw line. So to take this cost out, we had to make a significant investment to take the labor out of the equation. The Galdabini straightener with the new technology, the laser scanner, the CNC programming, allowed that same diameter of screw to be straightened within 0.001 per foot.
Now instead of taking hours to go through a lot of it for a job and that, set it up and run, then depending on how needed corrections, load it up, few hours, come back, remove the parts and load it up again. It frees up a lot of people and a lot of time, just be more efficient.
What impact has it had?
Oh, tremendous impact. Our quality is, on our straightness, I'd probably have to say 10 times better than what it was.
It's a reliable device. Customer support has been excellent. The engineering in all of the tooling is well thought out and tested before it was shipped to us. If all machine tools could meet that standard, manufacturing would be much different today.
Learn more at pbclinear.com.